For the unit rate, you take 360 miles in 6 hours. Take 360 divided by 6. And then you will come up with 60 miles in 1 hour, which we would call 60 miles an hour.
To find the unit rate for number 2, we need to take 6,840 customers and divide by 45 days. And this will come out to 152 customers in 1 day, or 152 customers per day. To find the unit rate for number 3, you'll take 45.5 meters and divide by 13 seconds, which will give us 3.5 meters in 1 second, or 3.5 meters per second. To find the unit rate for number 4, we'll take $7.40 and divide that by 5 pounds. And we will end up with $1.48 over 1 pound, or $1.48 per pound. So because number 5 is just an estimation, I would probably take $5.79 and round that up to about $6. And that way, if they are 12 pairs of socks sell for $6, then I know that each pair of sock has to be around 50 cents per pair. In order to figure out who swam the fastest, I would find the unit rate of each swimmer. So for Tawny, 50 meters in 40.8 seconds would be 1.23 meters in 1 second. Pepita would be 100 meters in 60.2 seconds, which would give us 1.66 meters per second. And finally, Susanna would be 200 meters in 112.4 seconds, giving us a unit rate of 1.78 meters per second. And then we found out that Susanna swam the fastest because her unit rate is the fastest out of all of the other ones. So we'll take a couple steps to figure out number 7. First, we'll find the unit rate by taking 153 words divided by 3 minutes, which will give us an answer of 51 words in 1 minute. So we'll take this answer of 51 and then multiply that by 10 minutes to give us 510 words. To figure out number 8, we will first find the unit rate again. So $7.47 in 3 yards of fabric equals $2.49 per yard. And then we will take this answer, $2.49, and multiply that by 2 to find the extra 2 yards, which equals $4.98. To figure out number 10, we're going to figure out each unit rate and then compare the two. So for the first cost, it is $216 for a pair of tires, so for 2 tires. which equals $108 for one tire. And then the manager's special cost is $380 for 4 tires, which will give us $95 for one tire. So, just as it says, this is going to be the better deal. And then we need to find the difference between those two costs in order to see how much we would save per tire. So we will take $108 minus 95 to find an answer of $13 that we will save per tire. To find the unit rate for number 18, we'll take $1.12 and divide by 8.2 ounces, which will equal 14 cents in 1 ounce, or 14 cents per ounce. And similarly for number 19, we have 144 miles divided by 4.5 gallons, which equals 32 miles over 1 gallon, or 32 miles per gallon. For number 20, we'll find the unit rate of each pack of water and then compare those unit prices to see which one is the best deal, or costs the least per bottle. So for a 6-pack of bottled water, we will have $3.79 for 6 bottles, which equals 63 cents per bottle. The 9-pack is $4.50 for 9 bottles, which equals 50 cents per bottle. And then finally, the 12-pack is $6.89 for 12 bottles, or 57 cents for 1 bottle. So as you can see, the 9-pack costs the least per bottle because 50 cents is less than 57 cents, which was the cost of the 12 bottle that you see here, which is less than 63 cents, which was the cost of the 6 bottle. So the package that costs the least per bottle is the 9-pack. We'll start by finding the unit rate here. So $108.75 for working 15 hours equals $7.25 for 1 hour. So she's making $7.25 per hour. At this rate, how much money will she earn if she works 18 hours? Then we will take $7.25 and multiply that by 18 hours, which will give us an answer of $130.50 is the amount she would make if she worked 18 hours next week.